Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and Happy Birthday, Jesus. And one day, day after Christmas. I think it was a great time with the boys. Both boys came up. They're both 21 now, or over. And Rachel made a big meal. It was a great time. We got a lot built. With their help. Got a nightstand. Told my son it's very important. Don't have a one night stand. It's a nightstand for next to the bed. So I need 2 nightstands, one on each side. Anyway, it's pretty good times. First time in probably 60 some years. It was very super peaceful. I was going to say something else, but it's private. I had the kitchen sink clog up. They have a 10-foot run, proper pitch, angle, so water drains. But they have 10 feet level. So over the years, whoever's lived here, it built up, clogged, and then took a 12-foot pipe and shoved it at the end, and it's full. So I've got to replace that. And then snowplow's working. It was a wet Christmas rain, so many blessings. You guys take care and have a happy new year.